Welcome to Cat Soccer, new edition. So the red card, they're still there from last time. If a ball goes past any of these pillows, it's a goal. That is Loki's goal. That is Toby's goal. If a ball ever passes either of the goals, it's a point for the other. I have my red cards here because I know you're going to do something. Go. Wait. Whoa. No, stop. Stop. You're violating Rule 56. That is a red card. Come get the ball. These cats really don't know what they're doing. Oh. Loki seems to get when they get the ball. Never mind, he's licking his feet. Whoa. Action happening. Action. Whoa. Let me see if that's past the line. Okay, so this was right here. Yes, that passed the line. Loki gets a point. Wow. Okay, I got the player Toby up. Ball in hand. Go. Oh, whoa. Going fast. That passed the line. Toby with his first point. They're tied. Both of them going for the ball. Toby knocks into his own goal. They're both in game now. Loki has 2 points. Toby has 1. Go. Oh, look at that sweep. Both have 2 points. Go. Toby going in for the ball. And now it's under the couch. Whoa. Yeah, don't knock it back. Oh, you can still hit it. It's not past. It didn't pass the goal line, okay? Not the one that has to like that. Oh, whoa. Toby takes the lead. And of course, Toby sinks behind the whole couch. Loki, you just lost the lead. I hope you're happy. Go. Toby ain't gonna do this alone. He just got his 4th point. Loki stuck. Loki, you have 2 points to catch up on. Go. Whoa. You gotta give good points for that. And just kicked it back into things. Rolling to same point. Toby seems to intrigue to knock in his own goal. Oh, nope, he lost intention. Toby seems to want to eat the ball. Whoa. Toby with his 5th point. Toby 5 points, Loki 2. I'm actually proud of you, Loki. Go! Does a swerve technique, but it can't stop. Let's see. Didn't pass the line. You are safe, Toby. Go! And you knock it past the line for Loki's next point. Oh, whoa. And we're good. That's your 6th point, Toby. Loki only has half the points of you. And he also has a red card. I don't know if it's right here. It's your red card, buddy. Go! Loki knocking it all over the place. And that passes the pillow.